Grade 4, Module 5, Lesson 32 and 33. You're going to notice these are combined. We are going to be subtracting fractions and mixed numbers, and mixed numbers and mixed numbers. Okay? So let's take a first look at our very first problem. We have 3 1/3 minus 2/3. We are unable to subtract our fractions because the larger the mixed number 3 1/3, 1 is less than 2, so we can't subtract. So here's an easy way to borrow so that you are able to subtract. We're going to take 1 whole from the 3. 1 whole is going to be 3/3. So you're going to add 3/3 to 1/3. That's going to give you 4/3. Now you have 2 4/3 minus 2/3. Well, 2 minus 0 is our whole number. Gives us 2. 4/3 minus 2/3 is 2/3. Let's try another one. Here we have 2 mixed numbers. 4 5/8 minus 2 7/8. You can immediately see that we cannot take 7 away from 5. So we're going to borrow 1 whole. So this becomes a 3. 1 whole is 8/8. Well, 5/8 plus 8/8 is going to give us 13/8 minus 2 7/8. 3 minus 2 is 1. 13 minus 7 is 6. And our unit fraction is 8ths. 1 6/8. Okay, let's try a couple more. 8 4/10 minus 2 7/10. Again, we see the larger of the mixed numbers has a smaller numerator. So we're going to borrow 1 whole. This will become a 7. And we're going to add the whole over to here. So we're going to have 7 14/10 minus 2 7/10. 7 minus 2 is 5. 14 minus 7 is 7. And our unit is tenths. 5 7/10. Here we're going to write the related addition sentence because the opposite of subtraction is addition. So 6 1/4 minus 2 3/4. Okay, we're going to have to borrow. So the 6 will become a 5, and we're going to add our 1 whole over here. So we're going to have 5. 1/4 plus 4/4 is 5/4 minus 2 3/4. Okay, now we can subtract. 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. And our unit fraction is fourths. 3 2/4. So if we were to write the related addition sentence, it would be 2 3/4 plus 3 2/4 would be 6 1/4. So by doing the subtraction problem, we can figure out the missing mixed number for the related addition sentence. Okay, once again, we have 7 2/8 minus 3 5/8. We cannot take 5 away from 2. So we're going to borrow 1 whole, and we're going to move it over here. So we're going to have 6. 2/8 plus 8/8, because we moved the whole over, is 10/8 minus 3 5/8. 6 minus 3 is 3. 10 minus 5 is 5. And our units are 8ths.